What is going on, everyone, and welcome to Stock Rank. My name is Johnny and it is so good to be with you all, and today we are going to be talking about a $5 stock that I believe is going to 2x this year. Let's go ahead and get started. So a few videos ago I said that this stock is the most undervalued penny stock that there is in the market, and even though that it's gone up 50%, I still think that this stock is extremely undervalued, and I project that over the next 6 months this stock will double. But before we go ahead and dive in, all I ask is that you smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. That would be huge, as well as drop a comment down below what your thoughts are when it comes to this stock that we're about to talk about. And as I say in all my videos, I am not a financial advisor. These are simply just my thoughts and opinions and my projections for this stock. And so the stock that we're going to be talking about today is SGBX or SGBX. And this stock is actually one of my biggest positions, and it's for these reasons. First, this company has a market cap of $40 million, which is insane because I think over the next year, this company is going to produce $40 million in revenue. And so in 1 year, they're literally making up their market cap. And the second thing is that the style of SGBX actually lines up with what the trend is around the world today. And the third thing is that they have so many new projects that have just come up over the past month. And so I'm gonna go ahead and share with you what those are. So if we go all the way back to June 3rd, SGBX executed a contract to acquire a manufacturing facility that will allow them to run 2 additional product lines along with their SG Echo. And this allows them to expand really quickly because of the fact that now they're able to execute some of the backlog that they've already had, plus the new projects that are coming up. And then on June 18th, SGBX announced that they're breaking ground with the Monticello Muse development project, which is going to actually have 180 townhomes. And these townhomes are actually multi-family, and so there's going to be a lot of revenue that is going to be coming just from this project. And then on June 24th, SG Development acquires development parcel in Atlanta, Georgia. And this is going to be a huge project for them because the company is planning to build a 125,000 square foot apartment complex that is going to hold 134 rental units. And then on June 28th, SGB Development partners for their largest project to date. Now this is crazy, and I know that this is just recent news, so I'm gonna need to do a little bit more research on this, but Paul Gavin says, we estimate that our gross potential manufacturing revenue from this project will be approximately $180 million, being without a doubt our largest SG DevCore project to date. And so as you can see, there's so many things that are going on with this company, and for this company to only be valued at $40 million is just mind-boggling to me. And I am so bullish on this stock that I actually have 12% of my current position in options, and I am already up 100% on those. But as crazy as it sounds, I actually believe that this is one of my least riskiest positions because there's not only a lot of growth that is coming from this company, but there's a lot of growth that is coming from this industry as well. Because if we were to look at the overall picture, lumber prices have gone up, copper prices have gone up. There are so many things that go into a home that have skyrocketed, and so to use reusable shipping containers to build these homes, that's actually going to be a huge demand because of how much housing is going to cost moving forward. And I firmly believe that by the end of this year, SGBX is at least going to be $10 a share. There's simply just too much going on for bigger companies to not be jumping into this stock. But as for me, what I'm going to be doing is I'm actually going to be holding a lot longer than simply just the next 6 months, because I believe that over the next 2 years, this stock could easily be $20, which for me is actually going to be more than 5xing my money. But if I were in a position where I didn't have any shares, I would still be buying the stock at this price. But if you want to learn more about SGBX, you can go ahead and watch my previous video, which is actually going to be in the link above. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't done so already, please hit that like button down below, as well as drop a comment what your thoughts are on SGBX. If you're already invested in it, or if you've been thinking about it, or if you want to stay away from this stock as far as possible, would love to hear your thoughts on that. But I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and we will see you in the next one.